Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you, wherever you may be.
Good night.
Is it good night?
Good night. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.
You're visiting with Mr. V and
Good
Andrew.
morning. Oh, in case I didn't notice you before.
We've been here before. This is the pathway to the Bronson caves. If you haven't seen my original video, check it out. There's a link right here. But today we're back because, see this backpack? See Andrew's backpack? There's a little surprise in there. So, see if we can keep our surprise for a moment as we reach the top of the hill. Remember to please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it out with friends who might be interested in this kind of content.
In case I don't see you, good evening, good afternoon, and good night.
Yeah, it's always kind of amazing to me still, coming up here. And you see the cave there. Let's go up to it real quick. But we're not here to go inside the cave. We're here to go above the cave.
Yes, we're recording. It's time to fly.
Hello? Hello? This is the movie. Whoa. Oh, shit. Wow. Wow. That's so weird. I can hear it flying away. I can see where we're going. Wow. You're trying to head to that. Oh, look, there's the Hollywood sign. Oh, that's awesome. Can you see what you're looking at there, Andrew, on your screen? Oh, yeah, cool. Home Point Update. Oh, there's the little castle over there. Somebody's talking there. Yeah, nice house, huh? They built a big labyrinth back there. Wow, dude. Don't have to climb the hill this time. God, it's so trippy to hear it coming in over my head, and I'm looking at myself. Hello? Hello, self? Wow. Okay. That was amazing. Yeah. That's drone number one. We'll try drone number two. All visuals are clear. Prepare for liftoff. At 86% battery. 59 minutes of film remaining. 1 second, 2 seconds. Here we go. See, that's a cool shot right there. You can see the Hollywood sign just as soon as you lift off. Really cool. That's a lot more quiet than the other one. Kind of stealthy. There you go. Whoa. Wow, that's amazing. Hey, look, Desiree, Hollywood sign. Wow. Yep, you're good. Yep, you're coming down. There's a parking lot below us. 47, you're good. You're fine. There's the trail. You'll want to go up and over, maybe.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Don't scare those people. Oh, that's a trash can. Ooh, man, watch those wires. Power wires. Whoa! Rippy. Wow. Good buzzers, too. Yeah, come up to the Hollywood. Whoa. Man. Wow. Wow. That was just incredible. Up from the Bronson Cave to the Hollywood sign and back. Thank you to Andrew Hoffman. Andrew, can you take people up in a drone?
Well, you can have some sort of a similar experience, but you can not literally physically be in the drone, but you'll literally feel like you are in the drone.
But what if people want to contact you and they want to take a drone flight?
They can go to laaerialshots.com.
There you go.
And
Awesome.
my phone number's on there, and I will answer too.
And make sure you check out Andrew's make sure you check out Andrew's YouTube page. What is it called? The Hoffman Experience.
The Hoffman Experience.
Some great interviews, and we'll see you soon. Bye for now.